Hey guys, it's Sahur. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a lovely day. If you're wondering why my makeup looks a little bit weird, you know, you feel like something's missing, but you can't quite put your finger on it. Okay, so for like the first time ever, I went ahead and did my full face of makeup, even falsies, without doing my brows, because today I want to show you how you can use the new Rimmel Brow This Way pencil. Alright, so this is what it looks like. I'm using the shade dark brown. The reason I decided to do my face first and my brows last is because I've seen a lot of UK based makeup artists like Mitchell and Stacey Marie MUA do that. They kind of just leave the brows for last. And I'm actually beginning to think that's a really good technique because once you've done your look and you can see how it looks, you can customize your brow. You can see whether you want it to look more dramatic or not so dramatic, you know? So that's why I went ahead and left it for last. So the product is actually double-ended. On this side is this triangular tip that you can use to draw in your brows, and on the other side is a spoolie you can use to tame the brow if you go overboard. It does come in 3 shades. I'm using the shade dark brown today, which is the 3rd shade. It's the darkest shade. This is a really great eyebrow pencil, and for its price, it's absolutely unmatched. This pencil is going to retail at $13.90, but for the official launch promo, it's going to be $10.90, which is great. Even better, even cheaper. It's fade proof, it's transfer proof. Okay, so now I'm going to zoom you in and we're gonna work on these brows, okay? Okay, so now that we are all up in my business, I'm going to take the triangular pencil side of the Brow This Way pencil, and I'm going to be filling in my brow using the golden ratio arc technique. I'm sure you've seen a lot of this, and if you don't know what it is, it's okay. I'm going to explain it to you very quickly. What it is basically this. So you start from the tip of your nose and you just make a line up, and that's where the start of your brow is supposed to be. Next, you start at the tip of your nose and you keep rotating it out, and this is where the arch of your brow is going to be. Back again at the tip of your nose, out some more, and that tells you where the end of your brow is going to be. So you just make little dots to mark it there, and then you fill it in. The way I like to fill it in is first I work on the bottom. So I'm going to use the pencil to just fill in my brow hairs bottom first. Because the brow hairs do grow from bottom to up, obviously, filling in the bottom first and darkest makes it look like there's a lot of hair in this area. Once that's done, I use the spoolie and just brush that up. Using the spoolie helps me drag some of the pigment I lay down here up through the hairs. So it's basically just blending. Once that's done, I'm going to define the arch of my brow and connect that to the tail. Now you see there's a little bit of a harsh line in the arch of my brow. That's perfectly fine. Just use the spoolie and you blend it away. It's so easy to go overboard with the eyebrows. That's why I love brow pencils and brow brushes and just anything that has a spoolie. It's so important and it just makes such a big difference in the look. That's it. I'm gonna go ahead and do my other brow, and then I'm gonna come back and show you a trick to make the brows a little bit more sharper. So again, on the other brow, I start from the bottom. Now here in this brow, I have this little bald spot here, so I just draw hair strokes in that. Because I do my brows a lot, I already know my whole golden ratio thing. I know where my arch is supposed to be, I know where the tail of my brow is supposed to be, so I just go for it. Okay. Using the spoolie to blend that out again. Now on the top of my brow, I like to use foundation to clean it up so it blends into this foundation area. So for the foundation part on the top of my brow, I'm using the Rimmel Wake Me Up foundation in the shade 400. The brow pencil is actually pretty easy to use, and that's why I didn't end up going like too far out. So I don't actually need to put this foundation here to clean up, but I prefer to because it really helps in the final look. It makes it look a lot neater, a lot prettier, and if you have like little hairs that are growing in, that it just covers them up and you can't even tell. And go ahead and just blend that out. I'm just going to use the foundation as well to clean up this little smudge here, just to make the tail of my brow really sharp. And just blend that out. So that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. You can find the links to all my other social media down below. I'll see you guys very soon. Bye!